Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful crochet table runners design ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so let's start today's video friends. My first idea is friends, so friends, my first idea is viewers, colorful striped table runner. Let's make a colorful strip crochet table runner. This design is bright and fun. You can use leftover yarn for this project. It is a great idea for beginners. Make different color and creative your own style. Lace style table runner. Today I crocheted lace table runners. This design looks delicate and beautiful, perfect for wearing a special celebration. It's may look hard, but it is easy step by step. Take your time and enjoy the process. And the sunflower crochet table runner, and weavers. I make a sunflower crochet table runner. This design is bright and happy. Sunflower add a warm touch to your table. Use yellow or brown color for a real look. This is perfect for summer decoration. And friends, I hope next video is viewers, minimal modern crochet table runner. This design is simple and stylish, perfect for clean and minimal home look. I use soft color and easy stitches. Anyone can make this quickly. And friends, so I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon friends for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos.